figure I need to be doing a few more leather videos on a leather video channel. So I'm going to do a video of how I worked with this 12-ton press. So these two pieces are glued together. I've already got them kind of just hand pushed on there, but you want to get them down a little bit firmer than that. So in this case, I've got 2 T-nuts there that I need to account for. So I have this little piece of leather here where I have the holes cut that'll press on there, so the metal doesn't press down onto the T-nuts. Cover that with another piece of leather that the T-nuts will press into. Now, I have a larger metal bed on here than the one that comes with it, just so it's solid right there. So I'll lay my piece right here, and I've got 2 options. I can use the big piece of metal or the smaller one. I'll use the smaller one today. So I'm gonna make sure that I get the press on here right, in the right direction. And that metal, so I'm just gonna run that down real snug. That metal piece gives it a firm press all the way across. Obviously the metal on the bottom, gives it something to push into on the bottom there. I'll leave it for a few seconds. A lot of times I don't even leave it this long, but since I'm talking, we're here. And then I had to build me a little handle to release the pressure on the jack. This off. So you'll see where those T-nuts indent on this piece. But then it's pressed this down firmly all the way around in the middle, and you don't have to sit here and hammer it or press it and hope it works. Gets a good even press on these. I use this for all of my little additional stuff, reinforcements I put on holsters for straps and different things like that, and those are for pull-the-dot snaps. I also use it when I'm actually gluing holsters together, and I've got a couple of different pieces of leather I'll put over them to protect the holster. But I'll do the same thing. I'll glue the 2 sides of the holster together, and I'll press it a couple of times on each side, and it is greatly it has helped to greatly lower the amount of problems I have with glue releasing, because this gives a really good solid firm press all the way across the surface. So hope it helps.